Hello guys, Vinita here. A lot of you have been asking us to talk about fake versus real Mi earphones. And today, here I am to do the same. But before we begin, here's a quick announcement. The winners of Mi Band 3 contest and the details for it are mentioned in the description below. Congratulations to all you guys, and you will have your gifts reaching you soon. As you might already know, Mi earphones come in two variants. Mi earphones Basic, priced at $399, and Mi earphones priced at $699. Both the Mi earphones come with 3 high-quality anti-slip silicone earplugs. You can choose whichever fits you better. There are plenty of fake Mi earphones out there in the market, so let's get to the 5 quick ways of identifying the fake ones. The original Mi earphones have a new packaging. It comes in a box like this. It has all the details written right here on the box and one logo on the top left. If you look at the fake one, it comes in an extremely poor quality box, is flashy and has no credible details written on it. If you look at the original Mi earphones, you will spot a tiny Mi logo right here. Moving to the controller, it's round in shape and it does not have plus or minus sign for volume control. At the bottom of the wire, you will find a white tag with Mi logo on it and a QR code behind it.
Okay Google, start my workout playlist.
Also, if you look closely, you will spot a right and left sign just near the earplug. If you look at the fake one, there are multiple Mi logos on it. The controller is flimsy and plasticky, the buttons are not at all smooth. The wire is flat and it does not have the QR code tag on it. The original Mi earphones come with a tangle-free premium quality wire. Whereas if you look at the fake one, the quality of the wire is really poor and it gets entangled really easily. Talking about the connectors, the original Mi earphones come with a L-shaped connector that ensures durability. You don't have to worry about it wearing off or getting damaged. Fake one, on the other hand, will not have L-shaped connector and is easily prone to damage. Just like the wire, their flimsy build quality is evident. Last but not the least, the original Mi earphones come with dynamic bass and crisp sound quality. The overall sound signature is well balanced and you can use them for hours without any ear fatigue. The sound signature of fake Mi earphones is screechy and distorted. The sound quality is so poor that you will not be able to use it for a very long time. If you want to buy Mi earphones, we would recommend you buy it from mi.com or Mi Home. If you are buying it from Amazon or Flipkart, make sure that you are buying it from an authorized seller. Alright guys, hope we have helped you with this video. Tell us your experience with the Mi earphones in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you soon.